Hey legends, want to move like a pro? Today I'm showing you how to wall jump anything in Apex Legends. First, you need speed. Sprint towards a wall and slide jump into it. The faster you hit it, the better the jump. As soon as you touch the wall, let go of all movement keys and immediately press jump. This launches you backward or sideways depending on your angle. When a style on your enemies, look left or right while jumping. To control your direction, combine it with a 180-degree spin for max outplay potential. Remember, any surface works. Boxes, walls, even tiny ledges. Octane and Pathfinder can give you insane wall jumps due to speed boosts and grapple resets. Another bonus tip is to bind jump to your scroll wheel. You can do this by going to your settings, mouse and keyboard, and scrolling down to jump. Assign it to scroll wheel down as shown here. This will help you nail the jump as you hit the wall. Master this and you'll be untouchable. See you next time, legends!